Finding the right Wi-Fi device for your home poses a real challenge with all of the options that are available. Here we have the Google Wi-Fi, which is among the most impressive connected systems for Wi-Fi in the home or office. In this video, we're going to be going over key features, who this product is for, and how it compares to the competition, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. Each Google Wi-Fi unit has a nice, sleek design measuring 4.1 by 2.7 inches with a weight of only 12 ounces. This means you won't have to worry about it taking up a lot of space. These Wi-Fi units have a small cylindrical design with a white LED band placed directly in the center. It functions as the primary router for one's home internet connection. You can connect additional units to extend wired internet. It beams a connection wirelessly, so there are no annoying cords or wires to mess around with. Google Wi-Fi devices are also equipped with 2 gigabit Ethernet ports per Wi-Fi point. There is one WAN and another LAN port for each. This provides you with lightning-fast wireless and wired connections throughout your home or office. The quad-core ARM CPU that each of these units use is very fast, offering consistently reliable performance. Each core of this processor runs at 710 MHz, which is pretty impressive even by modern standards. Setting up your Google Wi-Fi device is a very simple process with no complicated steps to struggle with. You'll be able to use the free Android or iOS mobile app to get through this entire process. Once you are done setting it up, you can use the Google Wi-Fi app to configure your network. It will require you to scan the QR code on the Wi-Fi point that is connected to your modem. There are all sorts of incredibly useful settings in the Wi-Fi app, such as continuous monitoring of your network. You can also use this app to manage the various devices that are connected to the network. There is even a built-in Wi-Fi test utility that allows you to check the current strength of your connection. The network check feature has been expanded to test multiple devices. This allows you to detect potential bottlenecks in your network that could be causing problems. You can also rearrange your various access points to get the best possible performance at all times. One of the best things about this app is that it lets you prioritize your bandwidth for certain devices for certain periods of time. This is a feature that you will get lots of use from if you have a family with multiple people using various devices. Those who have children living at home will find the family controls in the Google Wi-Fi app to be very helpful. These settings allow you to pause Wi-Fi on the devices your children use. You also have control over the sort of content they're able to access when browsing the web. This will provide you with complete peace of mind. Google Wi-Fi can help you get the most from your wireless internet service. Each unit offers a Wi-Fi point that covers up to 1,500 square feet. 3 of these units can cover up to 4,500 square feet. If this isn't adequate, you will always be able to add more. 2 units should be able to satisfy most people's needs just fine. There is a traffic prioritization feature that gamers will definitely appreciate and get plenty of use from. This ensures you always get as much bandwidth as you need for each of your online gaming sessions. The network automatically repairs itself if one or more of the Wi-Fi points go down at any time. This means you won't have to worry about any interruptions that can mess with your gameplay or other online activities. Google Wi-Fi's mesh system operates over the 802.11's protocol, which translates to fast wired and wireless connections. In fact, this is one of the primary reasons that it has become such a popular choice among consumers. The Bluetooth Smart Ready design of each of these units means you can connect a variety of wireless devices with no hassle whatsoever. You also get a strong connection that rarely goes out. It is one of the most dependable products of its kind on the market right now. If you regularly stream HD videos or engage in online gaming, Google Wi-Fi is an excellent choice. It offers a wide range of customization options that just about everyone can get lots of use from. One of the best things about this product is that it is well suited for both residential and office settings. The sheer versatility of these units is just part of what makes them so special. That's all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing. Till next time, hope you all have a great day.